Join me as I dive into the world of SUNE stock and see if I can figure out if it's really about to explode. SUNE stock has been on a wild ride lately, with its value fluctuating dramatically over the past few months. Investors have been eyeing this stock closely, wondering if it's going to make a comeback or continue its downward trend. What's clear is that SUNE stock is at a crossroads, and the next few weeks or months could be crucial in determining its future. One of the biggest challenges facing SUNE stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some major swings in the stock market recently, and SUNE stock has been caught in the middle. The company's performance has also been a concern, with some investors questioning its ability to compete in a rapidly changing industry. Add to that the overall economic uncertainty, and you've got a recipe for a stock that's hard to predict. Investors need to be aware of these challenges and consider them carefully before making any decisions. Another challenge facing SUNE stock is the increasing competition in the industry. New players are entering the market, and they're hungry for market share. This could put pressure on SUNE stock's already fragile value. Furthermore, the company's financial reports have been a mixed bag, with some positive notes but also some concerns about its long-term viability. The regulatory environment is also worth keeping an eye on. Changes in regulations could impact SUNE stock's performance, either positively or negatively. For example, if there's a shift in policy that favors SUNE's business model, that could be a boost for the stock. On the other hand, if regulations tighten up, that could create headwinds. Recent news and financial reports have been a mixed bag for SUNE stock. On the one hand, the company has announced some promising developments, including a new partnership with a major player in the industry. This could be a game changer for SUNE stock, providing a much-needed boost to its value. On the other hand, some analysts have expressed concerns about the company's financial health, citing high debt levels and weak cash flow. Market trends are also worth considering. The industry as a whole has been experiencing a bit of a slowdown, which could impact SUNE stock's performance. However, some experts believe that this slowdown is just a temporary blip, and that the industry will rebound strongly in the coming months. In terms of financial reports, SUNE stock's latest earnings statement was a bit of a disappointment. The company missed expectations on revenue, which sent the stock tumbling. However, some analysts believe that this was just a one-time blip, and that the company's underlying fundamentals are still strong. Some analysts are predicting a significant increase in SUNE stock's value over the next few quarters. They're pointing to the company's strong brand and loyal customer base as reasons for optimism. Additionally, SUNE stock's valuation is looking attractive compared to its peers, which could make it a buying opportunity for investors. The chart patterns are also looking interesting. Some technical analysts are seeing a bullish reversal pattern emerging, which could indicate that SUNE stock is poised for a breakout. Of course, this is never a guarantee, but it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Another factor that could contribute to an explosive upward movement in SUNE stock is the potential for a short squeeze. With a significant number of short positions out there, a sudden surge in the stock price could trigger a flood of buying activity as shorts scramble to cover their positions. In addition to these factors, some analysts are pointing to SUNE stock's strong fundamentals, including a solid balance sheet and a history of generating cash flow. This could provide a foundation for a sustained rally in the stock. So, what's the takeaway? SUNE stock is a complex and multifaceted investment that's hard to predict. However, by considering the challenges facing the stock, recent news and trends, and the compelling data and analysis, investors can make a more informed decision about whether to buy, sell, or hold. Thanks for watching. What do you think about SUNE stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more stock market insights, be sure to check out my other video on